anything for you. Anything for you, though you're not here. Since you said we're through, it seems like years. Time keeps dragging on, and forever's been done, so I can figure out what went wrong. I'd still do anything for you. I'll play your game. You hurt me through and through, but you can have your way. I can't pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you, but you will never see me crying. You know inside I feel like dying, and I'll do anything for you. In spite of it all, I've learned so much from you. You make me strong. Don't you ever